Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Dinamica Plus espresso machine. This is great machine. Actually in the beginning I thought it's a normal one. Then when I start testing it, I noticed this is the great one. So this machine have a lot of options, and it can actually, one of the great stuff with it, you can connect it with the Wi-Fi and control everything from there. So when I tested, I found out there's like, the first thing was this container here, the ground container broken from there, and when I tried to find one, it was like out of stock everywhere. So we asked about the availability. It says like at least 10 work days. That means like a couple weeks. Then they said it's not for sure. Then I figured out there is like, I bought another one from another model, but it fits in there, except I got to make a modification. Like, you see that thing here? Yeah, the new one didn't have it. Here's the new one. So I just made it, and it fits. And that one, that was like a different color, so I used the one from the old container and I put it here, and it works perfect. Then the machine was like halfway clogged from many spots. I unclogged it, and I did a fully tune up for the machine. Replaced the mechano valve gasket that's in the top group head, and I replaced this. This one was really hard to move and broken, so I just replaced it with a new brew unit. So let's go ahead and test it. And yeah, this machine get descaled around 3 times and 2 cleaning cycles. So let's espresso. That's amazing. It's making great shot. Look at that crema and all of that stuff from, we're talking about super automatic machine. So that's really amazing. Let's test the hot water. That works great. The machine comes without the milk filter, but it definitely works great. So yeah, everything now functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.